Hi, welcome to Navigating Earth. In the middle of these chaotic times, staying aligned with your spirituality is imperative for maintaining a sense of peace, strength, and gratitude. When faced with adversity, it's natural to feel shaken, lost, or overwhelmed. But it's precisely during these difficult moments that our spiritual connection can offer profound solace, resilience, and a deeper sense of purpose. Through this video, we'll explore practical strategies that will help you maintain and deepen your spiritual alignment in your daily life or in the face of life's greatest challenges. But before we jump into it, hit that subscribe button and receive a virtual care package filled with sunshine, laughter, and positive vibes. So without much further ado, here are some helpful tips to keep your spirit strong when times get tough. Number 1, create daily spiritual practices. Whether spirituality is new to you or you've been exploring for decades, it's helpful to create a daily ritual or practice that moves you toward a continued space of peace, joy, and gratitude. These practices can include meditation, prayer, mindfulness, or writing in a gratitude journal. We'd recommend choosing one that aligns with your creative side. So if you like writing, perhaps a daily journal. If you like nature, a daily walk in the park after work may help you detox from the world's demands. Number 2, serve others. Engage in acts of service and kindness. Volunteer for causes aligned with your values, help those in need, or support your community. Serving others is an expression of spirituality and connects you to a greater good. Number 3, seek support from your spiritual community. If applicable, reach out to your spiritual community for support and guidance. Attend virtual gatherings, join online forums, and seeking support from others who resonate with your beliefs can be comforting and uplifting. Number 4, surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Find your community and connect with others who share your interests. Join groups, attend workshops or retreats, or engage in online communities. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people can provide support, encouragement, and opportunities for growth. Number 5, find meaning in challenges. This can be difficult for some, but it's helpful to look for the lessons and growth opportunities that difficult times offer. Challenges can be catalysts for spiritual evolution and deepening your understanding of yourself and your spiritual path. Practice reframing difficulties as opportunities for personal and spiritual development. Number 6, surrender and let go. Challenging times can feel like they're beyond our control. Practice surrendering and letting go of attachment to outcomes. Trust in the divine timing and greater plan unfolding in your life. Embracing surrender allows you to find peace in the midst of uncertainty and can realign you with the flow of life. Number 7, engage in self-compassion. Be gentle and compassionate with yourself during difficult times. Offer yourself the same love and understanding that you would extend to a close friend. Acknowledge your emotions, validate your experiences, and practice self-care. Self-compassion nurtures your well-being and strengthens your spiritual connection. Number 8, seek wisdom in spiritual and sacred texts. Explore sacred texts, spiritual books, or teachings that resonate with your beliefs. Reading and reflecting on these texts can provide guidance, inspiration, and a deeper understanding of your spiritual path. Number 9, connect with nature. Spend time in nature as a way to reconnect with your spirituality. Find solace in the beauty and serenity of natural surroundings. Engage in mindful walks, grounding exercises, or simply sit in quiet contemplation, allowing nature to rejuvenate and inspire you. Number 10, Practice gratitude. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude by acknowledging and appreciating the blessings in your life. Expressing gratitude regularly helps shift your focus to the positive and fosters a sense of spiritual abundance. Number 11, practice acceptance. Practice accepting the present moment, including the challenges it brings. Embrace the reality of the situation without resistance or judgment. Acceptance allows you to work with what is and find peace in the midst of turmoil. Number 12, trust your inner guidance. Trust your intuition and inner guidance, especially during difficult times. Tune into your inner wisdom for direction, clarity, and discernment. Your intuition can guide you towards choices and actions that align with your spiritual path. Number 13, engage in self-reflection. Set aside moments for self-reflection and introspection. Journaling, meditation, or silent contemplation can provide valuable insights and promote self-awareness, leading to spiritual growth. Number 14, practice compassion and kindness. Extend love, compassion, and kindness to yourself and others. Embodying these qualities aligns you with the spiritual principles of interconnectedness and unity. Number 15, cultivate mindfulness. Practice being fully present in the current moment. Mindfulness helps you deepen your spiritual connection by fostering awareness and a deep appreciation for the richness of the present moment. Remember, your spiritual journey is unique to you. These tips serve as a starting point, but it's essential to explore what resonates with your heart and aligns with your beliefs. Be patient with yourself, practice self-compassion, and trust that this journey will provide the strength and resilience needed to navigate the challenges here on earth. May your spiritual path be filled with growth, wisdom, and profound connections. If you find this video helpful, you can support this community in a couple of ways. You can share with family or friends who may be overwhelmed or could benefit from some calm and peacefulness, or you can hit that subscribe button and unlock a celestial treasure chest of love and positivity. Thanks for stopping by Navigating Earth.